For making it, we need 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, a bowl, food color, talcum powder and lotion. So let's start. First add 1 tablespoon talcum powder. So I have taken 1 tablespoon talcum powder. Now put it in the bowl. Now take 1/2 teaspoon of yellow color powder or food color of your choice. So I am using yellow color food color. You can use any color. So I have taken 1/2 teaspoon of food color. Now put it in the bowl where we have the talcum powder. Now take lotion, 1/2 teaspoon. First take 1/2 teaspoon of lotion. So now mix it. Mix it well. If you want after food color, you can mix it. So I have put a little more food color. Mix it. For mixing, add more lotion and mix it. Mix it as well. The food color must be spreaded all over the powder. You can take any moisturizer, so I am using lotion.